5773. Dominique Strauss-Kahn. Step up, Mr. Kahn. Stand right here and take the judge seat. This defendant is charged with criminal sexual acts in the first degree, attempted rape in the first degree, sexual abuse in the first degree, unlawful imprisonment in the second degree, sexual abuse in the third degree, and pre-sworn affidavit is signed, waiving of the charges but not directed to the other counsel.
Yes. Almost no incentive to stay in this country, and every incentive and resource with which to leave it. The people believe that the defendant will be able to make almost any amount of bail, and even millions of dollars would be a small price for him to pay for his freedom and the chance to avoid prosecution for his crimes. Therefore, at this time, we are requesting that he be remanded. We've been made aware that the defense has attempted to put together a bail package, and of course, we will review any package, but that review will take time and considerable resources to verify the underlines of such a package. So with respect to the factors in the CPL, I'd like to speak a bit about what we know about the case. Charges here in the underlying conduct are severe, as are the potential sentences that the defendant could face should he be convicted. And these factors alone, the people believe, make remand appropriate. The defendant restrained a hotel employee inside of his room. He sexually assaulted her and attempted to forcibly rape her. When he was unsuccessful, he forced her to perform oral sex on him. As a result, he's charged with 2 counts of criminal sexual act in the first degree, which is a Class B violent felony offense, 1 count of attempted rape in the first degree, which is a Class C violent felony, 1 count of sexual abuse in the first degree, which is a D violent felony, and 3 misdemeanor sex crime offenses. If convicted, he faces substantial prison time on each of these. As I mentioned, a maximum of 25 years on the B violent felony, a maximum of 15 years on the C violent, and a maximum of 7 years on the D violent felony offense. And because of the nature of the crimes, he would be, there is the potential for consecutive time for each distinct criminal act that he committed. And as I mentioned, these factors alone give the defendant substantial incentive to flee. Second,
a lot, because one, it demonstrates the defendant's willingness to do whatever is necessary to ensure his presence. So that, no, it's not my fault. As I said earlier,
I agree with Mr. Brafman. All right, this court is going to remand the defendant for grand jury action, Part F, May 14th.
Your Honor.
Are you serving cross grand jury?
yes, I am serving cross.
Okay, here comes Brafman, here comes Brafman. It's up, it's up.
Attends, wait.
Walk in the front.